Hi everyone. Hi everyone. Today we will be learning how to you can turn your images into pencil sketch. So the process is pretty simple. You have to go to pixoate.com and select pencil sketch from there. Once you are there at this page, you have to just select the image you want to do. We are doing for this particular image. I have selected the image, let it upload. So you got that quick. So you can then further fine tune it, like whether you want soft details or how you want to go further. You want light, you can select the shadow intensity. Then there are other effects, like you can do it in charcoal. Then you want colored, like we do with crayon colors and that kind of stuff. So you can select from there. You can then select how much intensity you want for the shadows. So that is, you can say it is fairly quick. So you can select from, and there are multiple effects. If you go to photo effect, there are 100 plus effect that you can choose from. So let's say I want this one particularly, and let's say I downloaded this. So earlier it was looking like this, now it is this. So you can do this if you want to further customize it. Let's say maybe you want to change something, like maybe anything you want, you can go with the So we hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.